Recording has started. Good day, everyone. We will be presenting house price prediction data set, and our group members consist of Maxine Lewis and myself, Opreann King. Our objectives for our presentation: we will be introducing the problem scenario. Then we will describe our data source. Next, we will discuss our analysis process or methodology, the dashboard design choices, key findings, and then we will conclude with recommendations. For our introduction, our current problem statement or scenario: management of Company X would like to make an investment decision regarding purchasing real estate. However, to make the decision, insight from the most recent house price prediction dataset is required. The house price prediction dataset was obtained from Kaggle Business Dataset website. It has features of house-related data for predicting house prices. It contains 2,000 rows of objectives and 8 columns of variables. The time period covered in it spans from 1900 to 2023, and this denotes the year the house was built. The reason for our selection of this dataset was that it contains suitable content to benefit prospective accounting or business professionals in assessing home valuation, mortgages, or other concerns within the housing market. For our analysis process or methodology, we generated 4 graphs and a dashboard using the Tableau platform and our house price prediction dataset. These graphs were the time series line graph, the tree map graph, the bar graph, and the histogram stack column graph. Then we proceeded to analyze the issue from the perspective of a real estate business analyst. If you all don't know, a real estate business analyst assesses market trends and property valuations before advising clients and companies on real estate investments.
Here you will find our dashboard design choices. As alluded to earlier, 4 graphs and 2 legends on the bottom right were used. The color scheme of green and gold, and as stated earlier, our source was the house price prediction dataset. Our key findings are as follows as it relates to the key questions, and are: 1, there is a trend. 1, is there a trend to determine if the sizes of house built over the years is increasing or decreasing? We found that there were only fluctuations from 1900 to 2023. However, since 2021 and 2022, respectively, the average area of houses has been increasing and the average bedroom number has been decreasing. This occurred all while average house prices were on an upward trend from 2021. Secondly, our key finding was: which location type is predicted to have houses at the most affordable prices? And we found that it was the urban areas. The third question to our key finding was: what are the average predicted house prices by the condition type? As it relates to excellent condition, around 530,000, fair condition, about 560,000, good condition, slightly over 529,000, and poor condition approximately 528,000. Lastly, as it relates to our key finding question, does the age of a house, i.e., year built, predict whether the structure has a garage or not? We found that there was a higher count of older houses built in 1973 or prior which possessed a garage. So here are our recommendation. For a company seeking to acquire investment property, it will be advantageous to consider the following for strategic investment planning as it relates to an urban location, which are most affordable in comparison to other locations. In addition, real estate in urban areas can be conveniently used for residential or commercial purposes. Two, year built in 1973 or prior, such houses 50 years or older may be more eligible to qualify for a historical designation and tax exemption. This is useful for the purpose of reducing annual property tax liabilities. Our third recommendation as it relates to excellent house conditions with a garage. A house with these combined attributes would capture all expenses for both acquiring the property and to have it available for use without renovations. Moreover, the feature of a garage can benefit the company by serving as a storage space because as payment people, we like to buy things. So having a house with a garage to help with the storage space will be very beneficial for a large family.
Historic properties can now qualify for partial tax exemption. On Monday, the County Commission enacted a law giving the owner of a historic property tax exemption for 10 years on the value of improvements made to maintain the property. If the property is owned by a nonprofit and is regularly open to the public, 100% of its value would be tax exempt for 10 years. County commissioners are hopeful the new ordinance will encourage more property owners to invest in historic preservation. The exemptions only apply to property taxes levied by the county, not including the school board.
And these are our references. Thank you for your attention, and that concludes our presentation.
Thank you.